This is one type of question that students always forgot, or have to keep on reminding them on how to do. Get the concept correct and you will never ever forget how to do already. Okay, so this question they already gave you 132 and 756 as a product of their prime factor already. They ask you, what is n for 132n to be a perfect square? The important concept you need to know is this perfect square means all the prime factor are multiple of 2. Okay, because to be perfect square means after you square root you get a very nice number. Things like 4 is a perfect square. Why? Because when you square root 4 is equals to 2. 16 is a perfect square. Why? Because when you square root 16 is equals to 4. All these they are called perfect square. Okay, 13, when you square root 13, okay, you get a irrational number. So this guy is not a perfect square. Okay, so in order to be a perfect square, all your prime factors must be multiple of 2. Because in the previous video we have said that when you square root something, the power will divide by 2. Okay, so now 132 is equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 11. At this point of time, the power of 3 is 1. The power of 11 is 1. These are not multiple of 2. So what is n? N must make them to become all the power multiple of 2. So this is 3 to the power of 2 times 11 to the power of 2. Okay, so this means that n is equals to n. Did n make any change for 2? No, 2 is still the same, 2 to the power of 2. But n make change from 3 to the power of 1 become 3 to the power of 2. So n must have a multiply by have a 3 there. Same thing, 11 become 11 square. So over here must multiply by 11. Over here must multiply by 3, multiply by 11. So n is equals to 3 times 11, which is equals to 33. Let's say we do the same question. 756n is perfect square. Okay, so 756 is equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 3 cubed times 7. So which means that for 756n to be a perfect square, they must be equals to still remain as power 2 because his power is already multiple of 2 times 3. The power must be 4 because it cannot be 3, it cannot be 3 because 3 cannot be divided by 2 times 7 square. So what is n equals to? N is equals to 3 times 7, which is equals to 21. And this is how you do perfect square kind of question. So for the same, if you want to do perfect cube, means all the prime factor power, the power of the prime factor must be multiple of 3. Okay? So 756 is equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 7. So 756k must be equals to, now his power is 2. Can or not? Cannot accept. Must become 2 to the power of 3 times, this guy is 3 to the power of 1. Cannot, must be 3 to the power of 3 times, this one is power of 1 also, 7 to the power of 3. So what is k equals to? 2 to get 2 to the power of 3, I times 2. This one, I must times 3 to the power of 2. This one, I must times 7 to the power of 2. So what is k? K is equals to 2 times 3 square times 7 square. Okay, and then you can work out this answer. Alright, so the important thing is, ask yourself, what is the k and what is the n to make it to become the perfect square and the perfect cube. Always write down your number first, followed by write down what must 756k be equals to. Then you can easily find out what is 756k going to be.